Jai Hind all of you. My name is Kirti Singh. I work as an assistant professor in a CSE department, AKG EC Institute. Today our topic is switch case. So first we see the syntax of the switch case. Switch, then this bracket के अंदर choice variable. Now open curly braces. Case 1, then colon. Here writing the statement. Then write here break. Then case number 2. Then statement. Then break. Case number 3. Then statement, break, and so many cases as depend on task. Then last one is default, then colon, right here statement and close. This is the syntax of switch case. Switch, then choice is 1, 2, 3 and so on, and last one is default. स्विच केस हम कैसे यूज करेंगे? अगर फॉर एग्जांपल हम एक केस लेते हैं, राइट अ प्रोग्राम टू प्रिंट सम ऑफ 2 नंबर, सबट्रैक्ट ऑफ 2 नंबर, मल्टीप्लाई ऑफ 2 नंबर एंड डिवीजन ऑफ 2 नंबर. सो जस्ट अप्लाई हैश इंक्लूड stdio.h, std for standard input output header file. Now hash include conio.h. With the help of this library file, compiler understands printf and scanf. With the help of printf, compiler understand writing. This is the syntax of printf. And second, scanf for the reading. Here writing the %d, %f, so on. This type of format specifier corresponding the data type and address of variable. Okay. If your data is integer type 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. So here %d is the format specifier, and your data is float 1.2, 3.2, any decimal number. So format specifier is the %f. Now your data is char A, B, so on. Your format specifier is C. String, like our sentence, Ram is a good boy. So this type of sentence is known as %s. These are the format specifier which is located here. Okay. Address of variable, अगर आपको कोई वेरिएबल स्टोर करना है, कोई नंबर स्टोर करना है किसी वेरिएबल में, तो आपको यहाँ पर एक वेरिएबल असाइन करना होगा. जस्ट लाइक दैट. दिस 10 नंबर असाइन इन A. So address of A in the sense 10. Clear? This is the writing and reading with the help of conio. So this is the full form, console input output. Okay. So with the help of this library file, you can understand CLR, SCR and get CH. CLR for the clear, SCR for the screen, clear screen. Okay, which screen? Output screen. Okay, get CH, get CH for character, get character. Okay. So we are right here. Void main. Our task is sum of two number, subtract of two number, multiply of two number, and division. So here write the, declare the two variable A and B. And as per the switch syntax, we need for third variable. My third variable is choice. Okay. So first we write printf, enter two number, enter two number, scanf for the reading. First number %d, second number %d for to format specifier. Then first variable address of A, address of B. With the help of these two lines, you can, compiler can be read and write. Then here writing for the third variable, printf, enter the choice, scanf %d, address of choice variable. Okay, with the help of these two lines, compiler understand the choice variable reading and writing. Here apply the switch case. Switch case variable is our choice. So open curly braces, case 1. Case 1. Case 1 is sum of two number. Case 1. 1 is the choice. So here writing the printf, sum of two number equal to %d, because integer number is 2 and 3. When user enter the 2 and 3, first number is 2, second is 3. So sum is come to 5, which is also considered in an integer. Separate by comma and A plus B. Then terminate. Case number 1. Then as per the syntax, right here break. Now case number 2, subtract of two number. So here writing the printf, subtraction of two number equal to %d, then separate comma, A minus B. Okay, here write the, as per the syntax, break. Now case number 3 is multiply of two number. So we are writing the next page. Case number 3. केस नंबर 3. केस और 3 में एक स्पेस होना जरूरी है, अदरवाइज कंसीडर नहीं होगा स्विच का वेरिएबल. केस नंबर 3, printf multiplication of two number equal to %d, then separated comma, A star sign, which is considered in a multiply sign here in a coding term, then close and terminate. Then as per the syntax, each case categorized with the help of break. Now case number 4. Case number 4 is division. So right here printf division of two number equal to %d A division by B and terminate. So here write the break as per the syntax. Okay. So here our cases are over as per the instruction. So last we write as a default. Okay. So next slide is default. Default, then colon. This is a colon, not terminate. Colon. Right here one message with the help of printf. Wrong choice. Wrong choice. Here don't write the break. No need for the break. ओके अगर कोई यूजर ऐसी चॉइस एंटर करता है कि जो कोड में एग्जिस्ट नहीं करती है तो वहां पर मैसेज क्या प्रिंट होगी? रॉन्ग चॉइस. देन हम अपने कोड को एक बार देख लेते हैं प्रीवियस. ओपन कर्ली ब्रेसेस इक्वल टू क्लोज कर्ली ब्रेसेस. वन ओपन देन सेकेंड एंड so one need here. Now last say get ch and then final close. Okay. Output screen is enter the two number. User can enter 4 first and 1 space, then second number is 2. Enter the choice. So user can enter choice is 2. Answer is subtraction of two number is 2 as per the code. So we can check here. Case number 2 is subtraction of two number A minus B. A number is 4 minus B. 4 minus 2 is 2. Now next one is if user second time enter the two number, user can enter 4 and 2. Then after enter the choice, user can enter the choice is 1 and 1 is the sum of weight. Sum of two number equal to 6. This is the second output. Then again user can run, enter the two number, first is 6 and second is 3rd, then enter the choice is 3rd. 3rd is multiplication, so answer is multiplication of two number is 18. So my last case is enter the 2 number, which is also 6 and 3. Then enter the choice. My fourth choice is division of the 2 number. So answer is division of 2 number is 2. Okay. Then default case हम देख लेते हैं. When user run the program, enter 2 number is 6 and 3. Enter the choice. Enter the choice. Enter the choice is 5, which is invalid choice. So यहाँ डिस्प्ले क्या होगा आपका? Wrong choice. Why wrong choice? Because in our code, case number 1, case number 2, and case number 3, case number 4, case number 5th is not exist. That's the reason loop come here and call the wrong choice. Thank you.